Hi, I'm Mike from Scoutadelic, and how can you make a Clover Rice Crispy bar? Find out. Top of the morning to you. I'm Mike from Scoutadelic, and come on, subscribe to the channel. There are tons of activities, games, craft activities and baking like today, so come on, subscribe. It's free and we want to hit 10,000 subscribers, so come on, join us, join the community of spreading some wacky ideas out there. And one wacky idea is Clover Rice Crispy bars. So what you're going to need is you're going to need 3 tablespoons of butter, you're going to need some marshmallows, some mint extract, some Rice Krispies, some white chocolate chip, green food colouring, some green sparkles, and a Clover cookie cutter. It's hard to say it fast. First of all, what you're going to do is you're going to put 3 tablespoons of butter and 4 cups of marshmallows. Like so. And clearly I'm not eating any. And what you're going to do is you can either do one of 2 things. You can either put this into a saucepan and put the butter in first, let that obviously melt, and then put the marshmallows and let that melt. Or alternatively, you can put them into the microwave. Now keep your eye out for this. What you want is them both to be melted. So the butter needs to be melted and the marshmallows need to be melted, but don't burn them. So keep your eye on that microwave, or alternatively keep your eye on the saucepan, whichever way you're going to do it. So it looks a little bit runny and it mixes really well. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put in your 6 cups of Rice Krispies. You also want to put in your 1/4 teaspoon of your peppermint extract. So I would stir in your mint extract first. Ooh, that's very minty. And then you want 6 cups of your Rice Krispies. You want to mix that all together. And then you're going to transfer that onto a tray and you're going to cool that down, okay? So once it's cooled down, what you're going to do is with your cookie cutter, you're going to obviously cut out your Clover. And then you kind of want to put it onto a tray. And there we go. Now what you want to do is you want to make the top. So you want to put about 200 grams of white chocolate into a bowl. And you want to put that in the microwave for around about a minute until it's melted. If it hasn't after a minute, then you want to do bursts of like 10 to 20 seconds. And then once it's nice and smooth, oh, lovely. Then what you're going to do is you're going to add 4 drops of green food colouring. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe a little bit more. You want to stir that in. And there we are. You should have like a nice greeny texture. Lovely. And then what you're going to do is you're going to spoon that out over the top of your Clovers. Then whilst the chocolate is obviously still a bit warm, what you want to do is put your sprinkles on top, and then voila! You have your very own Clover Rice Crispy bars. And there we go. Lovely. And very minty. If you like this video, then don't forget to obviously give it a thumbs up, and come on, share it around. These are really cool. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you again soon for another one of these. Bye.